Hey everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm. I am so sorry I haven't had a video up in a while. It has been crazy since Junk Hunt was done. I've started a couple and I've never finished them, so I'll have to go back through and see if I can still get any of those posted up. But I thought I would take you today on a quick store tour. We haven't done one in a while and it's definitely different in here. We've done some moving things around and I can't wait to share it with you. So follow along. Okay, we are underneath our air conditioning unit and it's been pretty warm, so sorry about the buzzing, but this is right inside our front door. A big chunky shelf. This is our towel display, and I tend to keep wreaths and rolling pins in there. And if we go off to the left, window number one has been lake life and fishing stuff, and I have sold, honestly, I cannot keep fish in. I put them out and they sell almost immediately. This is just some random stuff that came off of different things that I've sold that I have not replaced yet. This here, this hutch is a new piece that is in. It has the original wavy glass. I don't even know if I'll be able to show you guys that, if it'll show up on here, but it is gorgeous. I am not painting it. I'm not doing anything to this. It is perfect. I did, however, replace the top up here because it was rotted through, and I made new shelves for it because they were warped and kind of falling apart. This is also new. This wicker chair is painted in Sunday tea, which I am obsessed with. I absolutely adore it. Pillows go with it. We've got this cute garland with some foxes and birds. I'm actually about to redo all this, which is kind of funny, but we are slowly collecting our items for fall, and I'm kind of got some things I'm gonna switch around. Going back this way, a blanket ladder. This is a beautiful, beautiful, soft, fuzzy blanket. And we will back up here. This piece here was actually done in Sunday tea as well, but it is a wash of the color and not like the straight up color. And this corner hutch is still here. I don't know how. I've just got all sorts. These were up in Duluth. I don't know if you recognize the dresser or not. It's cute. And I have not pulled down our Father's Day goodies yet, so this is all right here. I need to redo this area as well. This barn door was also with us up in Duluth. I keep swapping out the wreaths because it keeps selling. And then over on this wall, this is brand new. I just brought it in yesterday. It is amazing. It is actually old and chippy and wonderful. I absolutely love that mirror. I don't think much has changed on this shelf, but there we go. And walking back to the extra room back here, we have this. I think is all the same, and this is a little bit different back here. Some of the stuff is sold and it's different, but it's pretty much the same. In this room, goodness, another gorgeous original mirror that is just, I love it. It is stunning. And we've moved some stuff back in here. The lighting is a little bad. We're working on the lights. So once I get them figured out, it'll be easier to get some pictures done up. And there is an old Halltree mirror. The pew still hasn't sold. I think we're gonna move that out front somehow. I just haven't figured out how yet. I adore this window. Of course, I love lavender, so that is probably why. And our cubbies gets renewed with goodies all the time. This old window back here actually is sold. It's just waiting to be picked up. And this is where we need our lighting fixed, right in here. And this beauty is still here. And then here, the biggest changes, however, came in our DIY room. As you can see, I refinished a hutch that has been in my garage for a long time. And this now houses our Country Chic paint line. And it had glass shelves, but they were busted. They were shattered. So we did put some barn wood in there, which is a bummer because now the light doesn't shine all the way through, but it's still super great. I love it. This little thing has got like buttons and old thread bobbins and single buttons in it. You can pick and choose. It's got the prices on it. This has got some items that can be DIY'd by you. A cool pair of bookends I did, some air dry clay. We have ink, which I have more sitting at home right now. I just can't get there to get it. Ink pads. These cool art. I had 3 of these and one of them sold last week. That's with an Iron Orchid Design transfer. We now carry Midwest Charm shirts. If you are interested in one, just leave a comment below. This is just our, oh, what do you want to call this? Our Scrabble tiles in here. And then we have the trays. But I also have like bingo numbers and whatnot in there. Little bags to fill up. We've got, like I said, I've got a box of Iron Orchid Designs goodies at home. I cannot wait to go grab it and get that up tomorrow. But we do have some of the new stuff in if you are interested. Again, shoot me a message or leave a comment below and I can get you hooked up. And then also over here, some more items that you can DIY yourself. Some cool knobs, some ephemera, paint brushes. Funny enough, I moved the paint brushes over here and I sold 2 the very next day. An older transfer, some Roycycled stencils, and I have restocked on our Roycycled papers. You guys, look at how nice and full this is. I'm super excited, and also this is my little stash for fall. So I think we just have up by the checkout area. We are partnering with the floral shop next to us, and we bring her some really cool planter ideas and she fills them up. We have 2 of those. She has 2 more over there that I need to go pick up. Some Pine City tote bags, flour sack towels, and t-shirts. Again, if you're interested, message me. I'll get you hooked up. And this is my stash, you guys, that I am working on today, getting priced and put out. Oh, I love this dresser. This is finished in dune grass. It is such a yummy color. I love it. And then this window has been all sorts of different planters. And then we've had the picnic baskets and we keep selling them. So I think this might be, there's one in the other window too, but I think that's all we have left. We've got a little bit of red going on in here, a new rooster that we just brought in. And how beautiful are these nightstands and tables. And these are super cute rolling pins. I love them so much. And there you have it, guys. That was our quick shop tour. Please like, subscribe, and share, and we will see you guys all next time. Bye.